Mazonia, pleasure, loyalty. Praise to our Savior who granted us the freedom. And legend to the hero who brought the lonely piano. Glory to glory, we rise and never to fall. Yeah, in the nation, flowing rivers the glory. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation, a joy forevermore. Ambatonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of His nation. Ambatonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of His nation.
Hello, fellow Ambazonians, fellow Southern Cameroonians. Una be welcome once more for this platform of the No Koni Talk Show. My name is Kapu Daniel, Lukong, Sense Pass King, and una FBI. I salute all una. I don't see George Nguyen don't come online. I think that the first time I see comment, my laptop did then begin to mess up, and the software too need to be very clear. But be very happy say I don't come for now. Now 2 o'clock for night time. I don't want to tell una say work is plenty for the revolution. Una the year some people they talk say the one position for this struggle, they don't know it's what it mean. And the responsibility will get them to be very, very heavy. Since I take this position for save our country through the ADF, it can be a very hectic, very, very hectic task. I already get more appreciation for people than like Sheikha, where I can meet up and for year, where I don't learn for them. For my chief and my boss, Benedictwa, Dr. Chu Ayaba, I respect them more. I come back today for work. I share this experience for us so that I know it really happen. Because I have received a lot of messages for people the way they nobody receive my daily podcast, where they nobody see the episode of my No Koni Talk Show. Very important debate that they go on for the national stage, and if you participate like I always participate before. And all these loving Ambazonian family people, they don't begin to contact me, then be worried. Now just our work is plenty. I come back today from work. I finish my work now for 4 o'clock, sometime before 4 o'clock. By the time I want to reach my house, now already around 5:30. And as a single parent, and maybe I need to take my pikin to chop for a restaurant or I make some small chop with chop. By that time in the evening, before I take a nap, I wake up. Before I prepare everything for come to here, it be difficult. Just today, for example, I come back. I take my dinner with telephone call. I don't be on phone calls for almost 7 hours. And then at 2 a.m. and I need to can do this presentation. So there is just a lot of things and why I need to present them, but na time no day. So I'll find time. I'll better they present the things them topic by topic as they evolve. Because if I only wait one time, if I can do a big presentation, maybe I not will get that time. And I get a lot of fire them for here. The one for the investigation inside the Bui Warrior, we will need to really get an understanding for which way it happened for the group. I could give you a little bit brief history for this presentation as well. I could try for make and just brief. I just come now for courtesy. For the slim now, but I just say for courtesy, for the respect of my viewers and Ambazonian people, make I come up for Dokan live from this small talk. So I welcome Oman. Ambali, you are highly welcome. Samson Gideon, you are welcome. What's I come on that name say Gideon? Asongwe, you are welcome. And everybody in the house. Monetary, you are welcome. And everybody. My beloved is not there today. I don't know where is she. You're all welcome. And Frisia, where are you, Frisia? You said that you'll be waiting for me. Erica, you're welcome. Najela Gi, Mami for fine Pikin, you welcome for us. Kenzo J, welcome. Everybody, Amabo, welcome. Paul Ayuk, Omambi, welcome. And all the Ambazonian family, they wanna be welcome. We don't get a lot of things that go on. Brohida, welcome my dear, welcome my dear. And Chambers, welcome. Fibrous, my sweetheart, sunshine, welcome. I salute all now. Unfortunately, I will be very, very brief and very, very fast because I want to address just two specific things right now. But we'll get the incident where it happened just all over the places, and the job of our plenty. I think we'll need more people than for self. But when I know the ADF then give very strong principle that they take time before they do anything, and that they take a lot of consultation at the right thing, that the right approach. For the meantime, we will continue for the do it where they do them. But I want appeal. I want first thank all man we don't join, you don't subscribe for the TTOF. Now a very important contribution when they do and for the struggle. Those money that they make a big difference. And I want to thank the Commander in Chief Dr. Chua Yaba for providing the sum of 10,000 out of that money to go directly to provide those granite. I think last month I be submit requests to from the general, them from the ground, and all the commanders and where they report through our chain of command. We need granite more than guns. Yes, we need more guns, and because just almost all groups that come under we now, and we need to provide them with materials. We need them urgently. Please do not be distracted by people who will not deliver. This is not about talks about other groups, but in my experience, we have been in this struggle for 3 years. We, the ADF, we deliver weapons in ground zero. Even the money that we, the ADF, has trusted our own people on the ground or groups that have aligned with us, most of that money have disappeared. So I'm not trying to blame people. That's why I want to put this example so that people should know that people take money even from legitimate groups and they go and misuse the money. But we have our own team that have been delivering consistently in ground zero. Consistently. At least if you are giving your money to the ADF, be sure that 90% will transform into bullets and guns. We prioritize that. Imagine the money they have allocated only for the bullets. That is money the ACBC or the ABC are paying for the satellite dish every month. We can as well use that money for go begin make our own TV channel, but we prioritize the self-defense and our liberation movement over all those propaganda. We mean business. We are the people on the ground, the highest force on the ground. We are the most effective, most disciplined, and we are the vanguard of the revolution. Give us the money. We need the money urgently. No be time for talk. I know what they get time for can begin to compare with people that they suffer for peacock syndrome for Facebook where they want talk. They fight now for who will be the first for do this one, who will be the first for do this one. No. Give us the money. We are on the ground. We are doing good. We'll be in a better shape today more than any other time. But I will just cut the chase because of time constraint and just give you a short presentation. First of all, I want to present which way it happened. We don't get a big victory for inside Manfe. The mayor for inside Manfe, they don't take it out. Mr. Priestley Ojong, and with the one a deputy say if he assume that position, he will also be taken out. Agbo Baladan Komotok say he be against the Geneva Convention. With the one inform Agbo Bala say this is an international crisis, not a local crisis. According to the Geneva Convention, state aggression can be met with physical force or military force. Anybody where they trespass against another state, any man where they facilitate the trespassing of another state, it will be considered as state aggression. So any man where don't go join La Republique to Cameroon, say me the camp we say be mayor, he be parliamentarian, he be senator, will be a legitimate target for the Ambazonian forces to arrest and stop them from playing that game that give legitimacy for the Cameroon government to kill our people. So all enablers are involved in the state aggression against our country. Of course, we don't have any intention to kill any of them. Our intention is to stop them as best as possible without loss of human life. If they be under my jurisdiction, I for talk me they arrest them and keep them until this war finish, or me then send them out. But they work under a tough condition. They work under military occupation with one of the biggest military them for Africa. So now those people, the way they don't go choose against the will of the 99% of Ambazonians for misrepresent themselves as mayors, parliamentarians, all those people them that them be responsible for their fate. I the one inform every mayor, every parliamentarian, any senator where you did for inside the Savannah state, leave immediately. Do not assume your position. If you do, you are performing an act of state aggression. You aid and abet state aggression against the state of the Southern Cameroons. And there will be consequences on that your action. If you try, no blame any man, no talk so you no be no. I don't talk am. I will go for the presentation about for today. Now the video where my chief, the Benedict Kwa, he don't make a speech about the National Army, and a lot of people them for social media they don't take him, they want to turn him upside down. Benedict Kwa, the defense chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, when I'm a boss, he be the address the formation of the ADF. He clearly talks say from the experience where they be done get them, they be decide say the only way to fight for our liberation now for create a national army. For create a national army, say we are condemned to build. We are building. It doesn't mean that we have attained yet. We have not yet attained the independence. Just like we are building a country called Ambazonia on our state, the Southern Cameroons. Like the same way we would project the name Ambazonia over that territory. The name Ambazonia now a legal name, not be an illegal name, because we don't choose and through our right of self-determination. They don't accept and for the High Court as Dr. Godidinka, acting on the interest of the people of the Southern Cameroon, we don't put that name, it don't be embraced. The same with the court for Banjul, they don't accept we as a people. So we get that right for project our nationalism, we build a country. We are building a nation. That's why we call it a state. We give names. But me no man no can feel so without already established Ambazonia yet. On the matter of principle, we assume that this is what we are projecting, but that does not mean that we have attained it yet. We also project the government. Now why that would it insist on democratic principle them? Nobody say democracy then are during wartime, no. But would insist say the kind of society we want build them tomorrow, we need to start to exercise those same values now. So many people they know they take them for out of context. The ADF is not calling for the building of any national army. Any man will be get that agenda. We do want try for twist Benedict Kwa he talk. It is always the time. So I might play the video for Benedict Kwa, make we hear. Wait to wait talk so that me gonna understand very clearly, and then I go do the short presentation. I go show na action for ground zero today. We were forced the run take to protect the ghost town. First this
the idea of the Ambazonian nation is the idea of a cosmopolitan set of people with common ideals and common destiny. People of different walks of life, different culture, having the possibility of meeting their dreams under one nation. For this idea to succeed, for the destiny of Ambazonia as that shining city on the hill to be realized, I am condemned. We are condemned to build a national army. A national army has the character of a nation.
So if una hear Tinwe, the defense chief, the talk we are condemned to build. To build. He talks about a country that will be established. Listen.
To build a national army. Condemned for this idea to succeed. For the destiny of Ambazonia as that shining city on the hill to be realized.
So wait away the defense chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces he talk. For we for realize a nation and a state, we need for build a national army. We need to build our nation and its institution through the various projections of our revolution. Be it the various movements, the need for start the arc as institutions of a state. Now just the simple thing that we talk. Our forces the need for begin act as an army. You know me say there be an army. You don't like has to say we go for Zaire. We talk so we want create an institution, a governing institution. Some people then go carry and send a government. The Ambazonian Governing Council is a governing institution that is acting as a government. As a government, it does not mean that it is a government. The Governing Council is the authority that is governing the territory for the interest of the Ambazonian people until a time where we will attain our independence and the people will choose for themselves a government. But the process of establishing that government will be led by these organizations that are fighting for the independence. So when we come to install the independence of Southern Cameroon, it is the leading movements that are going to be there to make sure that they will be the nursery, the base for which that government and that independence will come, because they are the ones championing and fighting for the independence. So they will be the one to receive that independence and establish it. The major groups, we have two major groups, Seseko and Ayabacho. These are going to be the basis for Ambazonian independence. When we have independence today, these two groups are going to form the foundation. Many other groups are also going to come under them. But these two leading groups will be leading the initiatives, will be leading the government, will be making the arrangement for a transition movement. These are the people who are governing and who are championing the cause for Ambazonia freedom. They have the most significant influence over the military actions, over the popular mobilizations, and over the articulation and diplomatic push for Ambazonian independence. So naturally, they will be the authorities on the ground. What we are doing is this early stage of building an army. We are building an army. The ADF was conceived as a national army. Every group that is coming to Ambazonia, what Benedict Kwa, the defense chief, is simply saying is that any group that wants to fight for the independence of Ambazonia have to take the identity of the country. We are condemned to do so. You cannot come and you are fighting for a country and you are taking the identity of your village. That is a simple point. What he's saying. You cannot come for a national battle and you are assuming the identity of your village. You'll be forming tribal militias. So that is what he was saying. And anybody who understands the politics of Ambazonia now will know that we cannot unite all the forces into one command structure. Thank God they are diverse. Otherwise, today, all of us, they could have compromised all of us. And I want you to remember that the people who have been pushing the agenda of a one army previously are those people who have fallen or who we know now were agents of La République like Sok Foncha. Those people who were refusing this leadership abroad, they have come to expose themselves as those who were planted in this struggle to work for La République, or those who have been brought along the way. Those are facts. So my chief, my chairman, Mr. Benedict Kwa, is simply saying that we are bound to assume the national identity when we are acting for independence. That is what he simply means. We of the ADF, we are not announcing the creation of any new coalition forces called Ambazonian National Army. It will not happen. Just imagine the chaos the idea of a government have formed in the diaspora, even in ground zero, with people fighting for powers and the opposition it has created. Imagine if we were to create a national army and we say that we have General Efang, he is the general overall commander of all the army. Another general, maybe commando, will challenge and say, no, I cannot be under him. He will start to fight and say, no, we are the army. This one will say, we are the army. Then another general will come, the fake ones too will also come. Field Marshal will also come and say that, me, I'm the general. You will start to fight unnecessarily. What we need now is that all the forces should adopt the national flag, the national identity, not their tribal identity. They should fight under Ambazonia. Fight for Ambazonia. When they will meet their comrade fighting under the same flag, under the same country, for the same cause, they will recognize each other naturally like comrades. Because you will not say, oh, I am Bui this, I am that. No, you will say that I'm Ambazonia. All of you will speak one language. So that is what we mean. That is what we want. So, ladies and gentlemen, we don't have too much time today. But I promise you I'm going to look for more time to do the presentation on the issue of Bui. I have just two other things I'll bring to your attention that are very important for you to know. One is the people who are violating the ghost town. There shall be consequences. We are going to reinforce the four foundation of our struggle. We call all market people them, meet and close their shop. We send warning for any council member where you participate for do auction on a ghost town day when at the day way we talk me was civilian then she don't for us for show the war. Say they want independence. We warn them all. Ma share on a video how our soldier them for ground. Today they don't take action. Them burn some people that bike them because they violate ghost town for sure say no be palava money. So na video this today in Ambazonia. General XX. You wanna market people that in the way they violate ghost town, the people's ghost town, they don't be confiscated.
General X this way, it don't enter Bafanji. Bafanji say ghost town all day. Now what I enter for Mecca, I made a note say ghost town day. Made a call all I can for Bali said me I there for Bafanji to wait them. Made they come. Now General X this for Ambazonia Restoration Force from Gokitunja. Now me they talk. I said na me they talk. Made they come. When I tell a Kelebe say me they come. All these civilians for here they say no Amba not there for Bafanji, no, but I don't bring Amba for Bafanji. When I tell them so.
So right here now the restoration forces than that. They use the name restoration forces. All man get right for using name, even though the talk say me them begin use now pro-independent forces because that name say restoration. Even federalists they use them. So now the forces in this case are Bafanji.
Yeah, we will show them.
When I see
They say Amba not there for Bafanji now.
now inside Bafanji that
Come over there.
them born even bike them for sure. And I say even the people the forces they need bike, when they destroy bikes. So
That's what I talk. Yeah.
we call all people for ground zero. Say me then respect the ghost town across our national territory. This ghost town it be very crucial because under occupation our people do not have the right to express themselves. The freedom of speech that expresses our nationalism have been prohibited and banned under the threat of death and judicial prosecution. The only way our population can voice their opinion is through the Monday ghost town, and it is sacrosanct. We call all man for respect the people's ghost town. Me no man no take advantage of the people's ghost town, but me all man respect the people's ghost town. We'll be very happy with the restoration forces for Bafanju, but they call themselves restoration forces, but they are pro-independent forces. I know we call the name like General XX that they do a wonderful job, and we need for begin collaborate and for begin encourage each other like that. We are the vanguard and we need to be doing that. We salute our forces them for the Atlantic states where they then begin to build the infrastructure for inside Manfe and for Manu. Una go to get more and more operation there for day. We then come back for stay. We take back our revolution for the new height. So nothing in that way to go. I also want to bring for our attention which way it happen. I think so that know about 00009. Now a very famous retired Ambazonian forces where it used to do for Nigeria. Then a number a friend. They don't make out some video, some propaganda say don't die. I want to tell say be alive. If you see this picture, I put up this picture. If you look at this picture for one of these guy, but there is a video. Wait, I put the video first. Give me a little bit chance. This is the guy, one of these guys here. Okay. Now the video this way they don't release them. When I see say they work now for La République du Cameroun.
Me have been Goma, I did under Julian, Commander Julian, General Spirito, the Sword Council, Commander of Arms Every Base.
I be done the one ADF, the time when the Wango joined with the Sword of Ambazonia because we've been a very suspicious group. General Divine will be there for day. We be done the year the house with the bill and for corner a kill them. They need to do anything. We be done here say sister the work for La République, na minister for La République. All those things them. General Ivo be done warn me about it. I be done warn a Chrisute na ADF then go put their hand for there. I know be they media that time. We done because say all those groups then have they will leakage come out. From Nambere their connection them. All the 7 soldiers way Nambere take them. Go to for La République. All them come on for the Sword of Ambazonia. So when I see na the one the talk say be the Sword of Ambazonia fighter. If you are here for the background,
we'll see the under Ebube. Mahandi so for that first fight we'll go fight for Mongo.
When I hear all the kind of fighter the way the camp can talk say, hey, we be dango get wune, we rango abandon we. Oh, this one I be talk say it. We not say na all na sell out. Before any fighter the one enter for the war, we not say na existential battle. No man know the camp for this thing about salary. All man the camp for this na self-sacrifice. So when I hear a language, even I hear.
People did just why I say they get squats. They are picking them.
Even I hear the voice for background, the voice now the voice for 009. Where they don't talk say don't die, we believe. Say this video they make them for the same place where Kaya Yannick did. When I remember say Kaya Yannick, they be if they work now with La République du Cameroun, their forces them. With La République du Cameroun, their forces they do work a show. Comes them for Ambazonia fighter, they meet La République du Cameroun, they attack them. We believe say they be shooting for inside Omoyo Jok. Inside Omoyo Jok for day, now they be get some wound. So now Kaya Yannick, this if you look the picture for the background, the grass where you did for Kaya Yannick in last video we make up for Facebook. Now the same grass them where you did this same vegetation where you did for this video where this 00 said they make them with this other fighter the way they make propaganda. If you look for behind them, when I will see some tree trunk there for day. When I look the tree trunk, you get 2 trunk them. It shows say now 2 things the way be similar. It shows about the same place, but then shoot the video there for this different angle. Even when I look the distance between Kaya Yannick and that house way back, and the same house, the distance for this one when I was seeing are just the same area, but different angle where they stand for shoot the video. Where it shows say 007 either for inside ground 0 now likely. Now so believe together with La République du Cameroun, their army, they do work a show comes and where they know them, me then kill them. They already chop their own money. So me gonna be very careful for any man way you know this fighter them where you don't get communication with 009 and all those people them. They go work at the show their camp, they meet and kill them. As we be done talk information will get and I say they don't compromise on soldier them and they need to take them for begin to pay them, but they don't pay them, they remain for ground 0. They see carry gun like Amber fighter them bet. They give them contracts. So when I go, if when I bring we one general, we will pay the amount of money. If when I bring this other soldier, when I will give this amount of money, and they use them to do propaganda. But we know say they no will live long. Eventually, this type of people then they go end up die. Yes, thank you, Mama Wali. The Sword of Ambazonia, they collaborate with the ADF, no be saying a part of the ADF. I think Oman be aware of that one, na part of the contender force. The contender force, any force be independent. But this leakage come on for the Sword of Ambazonia. So now see, we know the camp here begin to see stock. So man go talk say, hey, ADF people they always come now for camp begin they need to talk fairly. So would it be very fair? any place we'll see some problem there for our revolution, we'll talk them and we'll be very bold. Now whether when they trust we and when I see what work, it do the way we did. So I go just address a little bit which way some people they run the talk and for Facebook, in particularly Eric Tato. I not get over time today. When I know our work over be very difficult, we get a lot of work. But I will try as much as possible for beginning the addressing the way it be very important for our national discussion. So I want those talk say the incident or the conversation with the between Mark Barata and Eric Tato about the ADF in need for stop. I will play some of the audio. Would I even see screenshot the way Eric the Tato the tribe compare himself with Ayabacho? The talk say no fit debate with Ambazonian people then for our forces now we were Ayabacho if it debate with them. But the center will see the debate with people then like Caroline and all those type of people them. It just be very childish. And we'll also hear them a lot of things. He talks to me Ayabacho for one of he write up them. Say me Ayabacho can join Ambazonia. Somebody like Eric Tato they talk to me Ayabacho can join Ambazonia. Let's say he did for instance Ambazonia. So these are just very ridiculous and childish things, but we have to still address them.
What happened for Kugwe? General Efang, ADF should hold General Efang accountable. This one I talk about people they cry, they in pains. When man run, if they like that part, they give testimony, say, now so they seemingly you can pass go bond this from Gabo. If you take that part testimony, truly, will make Cameroon government, if you take the testimony from the people that they run for Kugwe for correct and tame General Efang.
So this is just too ridiculous and just an example of an action and words that is aiding and abetting La République du Cameroon. For Eric Tato for bring this comparison between apples and mangoes is just so ridiculous. There is no comparison between Gabo attack and what is happening in Kugwe. There is no comparison. There is none at all. It is so ridiculous even to address this type of nonsense. This false moral equivalent that Mark Barata sometimes, I know Mark Barata carried the back of Eric Tato. Eric Tato is like his boss. And they are also trying to inject David Makongo because it must be me. All this type of juvenile behaviors is not important. It's not what is going to help us in this struggle. These are all juvenile behaviors, intellectually immature. These are actions that abet La République du Cameroon. It does not help Ambazonia in any way. So Eric Tato to make a moral equivalent between Kugwe and Gabo is a treason. This is a work for La République du Cameroon agent. That is what an agent should do. Ma play am again, me gonna hear.
This one I talk about people they cry, they in pains. When man run, if they like that part, they give testimony, say, now so they seemingly you can pass go bond this from Gabo. If you take that part testimony, truly, will make Cameroon government, if you take the testimony from the people that they run for Kugwe for correct and tame General Efang.
So that is so ridiculous, as I said again. There is no moral equivalent between what happened in Gabo and what is happening in Kugwe. And Eric Tato should stop this juvenile behavior. Such comparison are treasonous and are works of agents for La République. These things serve no interest other than the interest of La République du Cameroon. General Efang is a noble man. What is happening in Kugwe, as much as they want to put it on the head of General Efang, it does not concern him apart from the fact that he is the overall commander. He's not the commander in charge of that particular unit in Kugwe. He's not in Kugwe, but every time they want to put things to him because he's a target of La République du Cameroon, this nonsense should stop. I think Eric Tato, he even went further to say that Dr. Bacho should join join Ambazonia, and he should not Ambazonia should join Ayabacho. It's so ridiculous and so juvenile. So these people should stop this thing. They also, the idea they are bringing that they want to form a national army, this thing should stop. Everybody who is in this struggle knows that there is no way you can unite all the forces because they have stereotyped some groups. The groups we have two major political groups or movements in this struggle: the interim government and the Ambazonian Governing Council. Every group that is fighting on the ground should align themselves with one of these organizations. they must align themselves to be considered as forces. The trick of La Republique is to divide our forces so that they are all over the place and they will be considered as just rebels, like he himself rightly is putting in his narrative, calling our forces rebels, calling Ambazonia Northwest and Southwest. That is treasonous. That is treasonous. I mean, every TV is calling them Ambazonia. They are calling Ambazonia. Foreign TVs are calling them Ambazonia. People in Ambazonia are calling them Ambazonia. People in La Republique are calling it Ambazonia. There is no justification of what he is doing other than aiding La Republique du Cameroon's narrative. Eric Tato even went as far as stating that the people of Southern Cameroon, we want to create a country called Ambazonia. That is treasonous. Would you fight for change the narrative in the international media? Then somebody where the one claim say they talk on behalf of Ambazonia. They use the narrative of the enemy. So would one create, this is not only wrong, it is actually factually wrong. We are not trying to create any state. And for somebody to say that we want to create a country, a new country of our own called Ambazonia, in that term is speaking the language of the enemy. That is the language of the enemy. So, my way, one way, till something can happen before then, yeah, me the people that wait. But I don't talk my own, and because I don't get enough time, I want to apologize for people the way when they expect me, I can't talk, and I go to come. We'll get a lot of things that will put them. The presentation, they need a lot of time. It need a lot of time. Work over plenty. Work plenty. We get forces that they come under we just so much. We get a lot of preparation. But I want to assure the Ambazonia people and say the ADF is better today more than it has ever been at any time of our history. We are very confident. We have seen the report from the professor from Canada to tell now which will do and which will benefit them, or which will gain them so far. La Republique du Cameroon now they buy 100% of their fuel from abroad. They don't get problem with supply from Gabon. Now they detain for Nigeria. So they at the verge for break La Republique du Cameroon their back. Any man will don't run for go sell Ambazonia because they want go for go do some deal for HD with time nobody reach. Even Seseko way they for prison. It is stand up strong. But people didn't they free for outside they want go sell we because of ego. Mark Barata and Eric Tato, they have been using false moral equivalent between what we are doing as patriot, all our actions in good faith. They have been making wrong moral equivalent in comparing our action with the actions of other people. When they were condemning Sako, there were evidence, there were substantiated evidence. You cannot say people are accusing ADF of what? What evidence are there that they are accusing of the accusation they are leveling against us? We admit our things there, we say it publicly. So I'll leave when I go sleep now 3 o'clock already for morning for here. But next time I go talk about the people that will be arrest them, where they be killed. Florence Ayafo, I'll bring that will be a breaking news to tell you guys what happened. The confession they made, I'll give you guys the testimony of that. We are doing good. We are fighting very well. We'll call on all those people then for Bui. I'll release the investigation into Bui for tell now exactly why the Bui warriors they behave the way they behave wouldn't be behind. I will tell now all. The one two it happened for Ndop, what will happen for Insa Oko. One tank Bush Rambo, the dance use explosive again, take another La Republique. Those are your money you're putting in our struggle, but people will not tell you, as we said, the revolution is not televised. A lot of actions are going on the ground. As we speak, we don't pick up one Ekelebe for Insa Bamenda. That one to not breaking news. There are just so many things. I am not a news reporter. Some people they be talks I make interview for the guy for Bui, be balance or fair. I'm not a journalist. So what I'm doing here is advocacy, is activism. I'm not there for fight for post who will post the first news. No. There is a news aspect in what we do, but it is for pushing the agenda of our revolution. So
It's Fresia.
Fresia, my dear, I salute you. While you're on the move, our mother, I love you so much, Mama. I want to just honor you because the war is celebrating mothers. I want to honor you and honor Immaculate and many other women who have Even Madam Irene, there's one Irene, not Irene Guaya, the true Irene is there. Madam Wali on the move. This woman, may God bless you for your heart. You have shed tears seeing the boys suffering in Ground Zero. You have offered yourself to serve them, not choosing the side that is easy, because La Republique was sabotaging ADF so much. It was so unpopular for anybody to stand with ADF because of the work of the enemy. But you did that because you were looking for things that are practical. You have been saving the ADF like a mother. You cry with them, you show love for them, you sacrifice your money day in, day out, not only for the boys, but for the refugees. You are truly Mama Ambazonia. May God bless you. May the love and the prayer that you are giving for the country be heard so that they will finally have their freedom. They will finally have their freedom. I will also come address the issue about Maurice Kamto and Elias and all those things. I will come address them all. And we'll be very happy. The international community, right from IMF to the diplomatic corps, the indication the whole get them, it be very, very powerful for the interest with the development for our country and our work for independence. We are a state and a sovereign people cannot disappear. It is impossible. So, una stand up strong, una donate, for give with the weapons and we will need them for finish with La Republique du Cameroon. We're weapon them, oh my God, even assisting the way they for Ground Zero, we don't refine ourselves. I can assure you that if we have exactly what we need, the money we need, even though right now we are in good shape, by next month, I give una 1 month from today, La Republique du Cameroon, they will not be able to go around Ambazonia with those their convoys. Because what the overall commander, General Efang, with the brigade commanders, the brigade generals in Bamenda, Asaloduna, all for Bamenda Brigade, all across our territory, Urantana more, and for all those insignificant few, like Saul Foncha, Ebenezer Akwanga, Samuel Sako, all of these people, Sikod Yannick, who have received money from the Cameroon government to try to sabotage the Ambazonian struggle, Kumeta Elvis, all these insignificant people will fail because the major factions are strong and they are stronger than ever before. Our people are resilient and they are more resilient today than ever before. So we'll continue next time. May God bless you all. And I'm overtired. That work over plenty, that work over plenty, but it be an honor for serve our country through the ADF. These guys are professionals. They spend sleepless night. They are doing their best. A lot of volunteers, a lot of people who knows what they are doing, a lot of good people. And the generals, it's a privilege to talk to these boys every day, to know them, to know their story. It's a family. The ADF is a national family. We love each other. We care for each other. Every single of our soldiers, we take care of them very well. We don't have enough. We don't have much money because it is a war. We spend most of our money to buy equipment. But they understand. And they are not coming for us to be their welfare. They are coming because they want to serve. They want to serve. And for all those who follow me and those who listen to me, by now you know what I will say. When you hear those people lying you can think about Capo Daniel, since past king, the man who stood up and said that the truth matter and took the bullet for you, where they want to give you false hope about the United Nations Committee for the colonization. Capo Daniel stood for you and received all the insult, all the names. I stood for you to call out Sako as a criminal, as a con man when it was not popular. People were saying Capo Daniel don't say it. Today they are saying the same thing. Remember my voice, Ambazonia. Remember this voice of Capo Daniel, your sense past king. Whenever they want to deceive you, do not compromise your value. Do not compromise your demand for independence. It is in our reach. If Southern Sudan can have independence, what more of us who are already a recognized people? It is attainable. Forget about these people who, for greed and ego, have decided to sell their consciences and betray our country. Forget about them. And Eric Tato and Mark Barata, these young men who are making a career in helping our revolution or taking the chances that the revolution provides, they themselves should understand that they must stand for the truth. I'm saying this to Mark Barata in particular, not even to Eric Tato. He must stand for the truth. If he doesn't stand for the truth, even the amount of followers they think that they have built, whatever, will be crushed. Will be crushed. I mean, will be crushed completely, because the truth always prevails. If you come and you take the popularity you have raised in this struggle, you don't use it for the struggle, but you use it for your own self. It is all about juvenile symptoms. Me, myself, and I. Me, myself, and I. Now me, I be first talk. Now me, I be. If no be say na me, if they not come for me, if no be news when you it come for you, you no go talk am. If no one way if you control, you no go talk am. All those primitive and juvenile symptoms of this our two gentlemen have to stop. All those juvenile symptoms, comparing yourself with Ayabacho, comparing yourself with this, I am the highest, most, I am, and who cares? Who cares about that? As a matter of fact, if you get canas, your canas strong, correct. If you stand up, resist woman in own speed. Because woman doesn't get strong past man picking. If your canas is strong, correct, you don't need to compare yourself with another man picking for no say you get strong canas. You don't need to compare. You don't know you say you do correct. Your woman need to complain. So me then stop for begin even they talk na common saying. Say do not compare yourself with others. There are always going to be somebody who is bigger than you and somebody who is smaller than you. It is so childish, so juvenile for this their comparison. We get so many things to gam. The evidence them sister could work with La Republic, the one way to come on Prime Minister office to read plenty but time in all day. May God bless you now. I go sleep and we day together. We na stand up strong. We are winning fatly and we are going to win. So may our revolution be short. May our democracy be forever in Ambazonia. God bless you now all. Somebody in a cool Clovis say, do not insult Eric Tato. Understand something. Anybody that disrespect the sacrifices of the frontline leaders who are legitimate, who have given their all, I will not hesitate to go after them and to insult them because they deserve more than that. Have it in your head. And those people who want to create monsters to provide cover for them and say, don't criticize this one, don't talk about this one. It does not work with everybody. It does not work. Because when I even look at those people, I don't even see the substance that they have. Intellectually, there is no competition. They don't have any substance. This is not a battle for who will shout the most. This is not a juvenile competition. You are talking about the life of 8 million people and the entire Africa. We have to work within the institutions and we have to support institutions. No man no all. Even Ayabacho get advisors. We need to follow institutions. So, God bless you now. Good night.